5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's get it. 1, 2, what you gonna do? Do, 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 do. Left, on to the next. Do, 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 do. Back here we do it like that. Do, do, do.
Restart.
Can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style and the way I move. We got the power on lock and we're ready to roll. Come on, show us what you got, 'cause we're good to go.
This dance is We're Good to Go, choreographed by Rob Fowler. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, right heel together, left heel together, right heel, toe, heel together, left heel together, right heel together, left heel, toe, heel together. Section 2, side touch, side together, side touch, side touch, side touch, side together, side touch. Section 3, walk forward, right, left, forward mambo, back, back, coaster step. Last section, forward mambo, back mambo. 3 paddle turns to take you to 3 o'clock, that's a 3/4 turn to the left, quarter, 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 touch. Weights now on my left, and I start over with the heel switches. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a restart on wall 6 after 24 counts. And let me show you wall 6, facing 3 to start. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 24 counts on wall 6, and you restart the dance facing 3 o'clock with the heel switches. And that's the whole dance.